I'm launching a YouTube channel. I've gone out and I've got a few things. I've got myself some lighting. I've got myself a microphone. I've got a camera and I have a gimbal. Hopefully, somewhere along the line, I've got some talent, but hey, I'm just not too sure about that. What we all can get is inspiration. I get some of my inspiration from people like this fella, Van Neistat. You might have heard of him. He's got a kind of famous brother by the name of Casey, but I like Van. I like what he does. But unlike Van, I don't have skills in YouTube, filmmaking, making things at all. But I do have some life experience. Different life experiences from Van, but none the same. I have some experience. So what I'd like to do, and what I have started to do, is start with a blank wall. And all I did was watch a whole lot of YouTube videos, think about my own experience, and then I mapped it out. Well, at first, it wasn't really mapped out. What I did was I just started writing down on post-it notes what I think a good YouTube channel might look like and the experience that I had. I then went through all of these and I just grouped them into areas that I thought might be potential places where I need to work and improve upon. And what I've come up with is potentially stories that I can have on YouTube that I can talk to. Some of them might be clustered, some of them might not, but ultimately it's somewhere to start, and that's what I'm looking for. What you can see now further on is just, it's my room that I work from. So it's nothing special, but it's somewhere to start. I don't have a studio, but maybe, just maybe, one day I can be creative like this guy. So I hope you can join me and come along on this journey. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Maybe even listen to my very first video, which hopefully this second one is better. But I do know I've got to work on the sound. See you soon.